This YouTube channel, AmazingTube, has over 6 million subscribers, and his simple time-lapse videos get millions of views. His most popular one alone sits at 444 million. Every video gets millions, and videos just like this get millions of views on TikTok and Instagram today. I'm going to show you how you can create these exact types of videos yourself. That's not true anymore. Creating these time-lapse and sound effect music-driven videos is now incredibly easy. That's because Kling AI has released its new Kling O1 model, and Higgsfield has made it available directly on their platform. You can edit video, generate new shots, and create complete time-lapse style scenes, all with one model. And right now, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for anyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plan before December 7th, and they currently have the lowest prices on the entire market. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use the new Kling O1 model on the Higgsfield website to create these viral, time-lapse style videos. The same format you see going viral on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate, edit, and publish videos that can get your channel monetized and pull millions of views. This channel uses real humans in their videos, but today, I'll show you how to create the exact same style using AI, so you can start your own channel easily after watching this tutorial. To make videos like this, you only need one prompt. I've added the full prompt in the description below. All you have to do is copy the original prompt and paste it into ChatGPT and hit the generate button. Then you can name the plant or object you want and just type the name and press the generate button. ChatGPT will create two things for you: an image prompt, a video prompt. It will generate 8 prompts in total, 4 for images and 4 for videos, so you can choose the one that fits your idea best. After that, sign up and log into the Higgsfield website. Once you log in, you'll see an interface that looks like this. After you open the Higgsfield website, you'll see many video generation templates. There are also multiple models available. First, we're going to use the Kling O1 model to generate our image, so we need to select the Kling O1 image template, not the video template. Click on the Kling O1 image option. Once you open it, you'll see the interface with a simple prompt box, similar to ChatGPT. Remember, ChatGPT has already generated 4 image prompts and 4 video prompts for you. But for now, we only need the first image prompt. So go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and come back to the Higgsfield website. Paste your image prompt into the prompt box. In the model section, make sure you select the Kling O1 model. There are many other models available, but choose Kling O1. It produces high-quality images. After that, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose how many images you want. If you want unlimited images, make sure your unlimited option is turned on. This is available with Higgsfield's current offer. Once everything is set, click the Generate button, and your images will start generating immediately. To generate multiple images, follow the same simple steps. Within a few seconds, your first set of images will be ready. And as you can see, the results look very unique. You can select any of the images you like. Now to create the next image, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. After copying it, return to the Higgsfield website and paste the prompt into the prompt box exactly as it is. Make sure the Kling O1 model is selected again. All the settings, aspect ratio, and number of images should remain the same. Then click the Generate button and your next image will be created. Repeat the same process for the remaining prompts until all your images are ready. Download each image to your device as they finish generating. The next step is to turn these images into a video. To do this, click the Explore button again on the main interface. Once you're there, select the Kling O1 video template. After clicking it, you'll see a new interface. From here, we're going to generate and edit our video using the Kling O1 model. First, we will generate the base video, and then we will edit it, all directly inside the Higgsfield platform. So first, select the Kling O1 model from the model options. Now upload your first frame image, the one we just generated earlier. Then upload your second frame image in the next slot. The second frame image is optional, but if you've generated multiple images, you can use whichever ones you want. If you want to generate and edit a video, here's how to do it. Right now, I'm going to generate the video first, so I'll upload my first frame image here. Next, we need a video prompt. Go back to ChatGPT, the same place where it gave you the image prompt earlier. Just below that, ChatGPT also provides a video prompt. Copy that video prompt, then return to the Higgsfield website. Paste the prompt into the prompt box under the video template. Now set your video duration to the number of seconds you want. Make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Most importantly, confirm that the Kling O1 model is selected. Once everything is set, click the Generate button. Your video will start processing, and in about 1 to 2 minutes, your video will be ready. Repeat this process for each image and prompt. By following these steps, you can quickly generate all your videos and have every scene ready in minutes. And just like that, our video is ready. First, you have your video saved. But now, you want to remove the text from it. For this, we go back to Higgsfield. You won't just generate video here, you will also find the option to edit video. Click on that. Click the Upload Video option. You can upload any clip, a live action shot, an animation, or the AI video we just made. Upload it from your computer. Now, here's the magic. In the prompt box, you type what you want to change. To remove the text, you simply type, "Remove the text that is visible on the screen." After typing, make sure you choose the Kling O1 model for the highest quality edit. Once selected, click the Generate button. Your video will process in just a few seconds. As you can see, the text is completely gone. No blurring, no weird artifacts. It's as if the text was never there. If you had an unwanted character or object, you could click and use the same model to remove anything in one click. This is in-painting for video. Here, you can edit any video with simple text commands. Change outfits, swap backgrounds, adjust colors, all without manual editing software. Now it's time to edit our video. For editing, we'll use a CapCut. Open CapCut and click the Import button. Upload the video you downloaded from Higgsfield. Place your video on the timeline and arrange it scene by scene in the order you want. You can adjust the timing of each clip so the video flows perfectly. Next, add music. You can use royalty-free music from CapCut or other sources. You can also apply color grading to enhance the look, add animations, or use the simple transition buttons to create smooth scene changes. There are lots of transitions you can choose from, so your video looks professional. Once your editing is complete, click the Export button. Within a few seconds, your final video will be exported and saved to your device. Check out Higgsfield and CapCut links in the description below. If you want to try the Kling O1 model, the link is also in the description. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. Now let's preview the final video result.